Hey virtual teachers, thanks for dropping in. I just wanted to share with you some of my tips on using like Elluminate Plan. And you might be thinking, isn't Elluminate Plan something very specific for Blackboard Collaborate that I can't use for Neuro next year? Why would I take the time to watch this video on how to use it? Well, I don't know about you, but when I walk into or open up my Blackboard Collaborate each day, I think I'm walking into a blank classroom, like a brand new classroom that's never been used before, never been decorated or arranged. And that bothers me. I don't like having to set that up every single class. I have 8 classes a day. That's 8 different times I have to set up my classroom. Well, Illuminate Plan is like the wallpaper for a wall. And you just throw it up there and it sets it all up. It's magical. And so that way I'm not having to change my maximum amount of speakers or maximum amount of people on the webcam or setting up my breakout rooms each and every time. Because I have 3 breakout rooms that I use in every single class. Game time, gain experience, and also an MIA room. So Eliminate Plan helps me set up these classes very efficiently each day. So yes, I know I'm not going to be using it next year, but it's making my life easier now. And that's what this is all about, making our lives easier. So let me show you how. Whenever you use Eliminate Plan, you'll see this little gear up here, a little plus sign next to it, and that's what you'll click. And this is where the magic happens. So you'll just click, like for example, maximum talkers. So you'll click, go to audio, and then set maximum talkers. And then over here is where that counter talk is. So if you want 2, you just up it to 2. If you want it to be 3, up it to 3. Whatever you want it to be, there you go. Done. I also like to have 2 videos going at the same time. If I want to. I don't always use this setting, but I want it there ready to go. If I put them in like groups of 2, I want them to be able to turn on their cameras if they want to. And so I want 2. So again, camera count, 2. And then now my breakout rooms that I always want available. So rooms, create a room. And then this is where I put the name. So you could call it MIA, or most of mine are called glitched. Since I have like a Minecraft or Roblox theme, but you could literally call it whatever you want. That's the kind of beauty of it. So MIA room, done. Oh, wrong button. So remove that. And then I could keep going with that. That's just the basics. You can do anything. Like some teachers do the entire thing. They'll have their whole lesson up here, from polling to the whiteboard files, all of it. I don't do all that because I'm cool with the settings in the Blackboard Collaborate, but some teachers really like this. And so once you're done with that plan, you'll just save it, and now I'll show you what it looks like when you open it up. Okay, so now I have my my classroom settings. It's right here. This is the plan itself. And you just drag it and pull it up here just like you normally would with anything else. PowerPoints, the whiteboard files, whatever. And then this appears. And then you just click what you click on them, and they happen. At first I couldn't believe it. So then I went in here to see the maximum talkers, and boom, it was correct. And so the only thing that I can't figure out, and I don't think it's in there, I've explored it pretty well, is the turning on the chat and turning the visuals off. So that's the only 2 things that I have to do in every single class. And I'm okay with that, because that's just 2 things as opposed to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Typically 7 to 8 things that I have to do to set up my classroom. So this just narrows it down to 2. So I hope this video really helps you out. I really hope that through it you're less stressed about loading your classes each day. I know that's what it did for me. Remember, sharing is caring, so please share this video with your colleagues. Subscribe to the channel so when more tips and tricks come out, you'll be notified. And then also remember, first and foremost, the virtual classroom is a podcast. where I sit down and talk to other virtual teachers like you about your classroom. Because I believe through education, collaboration, and connections, we're able to grow as stronger teachers. I can tell you firsthand that I'm a stronger teacher because of these conversations that I've had. And I'm so forever in their debt because I'm strong because of them. And so that's why I share these conversations, why I share these tips and tricks. Because as you know, a lot of our kids come in, this is their last resort. They need something different. They need us to be different and be strong. So let's be strong together. Let's learn from each other. Feel free to head on to our social media sites. I think I'm at The Virtual Classroom on Instagram, The Virtual Classroom Pod on Facebook. There's a group on Facebook for virtual teachers where I share a lot of my resources for free. And then also our website, myvirtualclassroom.net. So thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe, share, all of it, because I really want us to grow as a collective group of virtual teachers. Remember, be brave. Take a risk. And most of all, have fun. We'll see you next time. Bye.